Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tyler. When it comes time to extend a job offer, how can you be sure you've chosen the right person? It's a lot easier to trust your intuition when you've got facts to back it up. Did you know you can use Skyward's fast-track data mining tools to help identify trends among high performers and assemble a stronger hiring team?
Say you want to find out what your current high performers have in common. In Employee Administration, find Fast Track and select Data Mining. Add a report, enter a title, click Save, and open the report. Within the field selection, you can select the criteria that will help you find similarities among your strongest employees, whether that's educational background, certifications, skills, or other measures. You can also use data mining to figure out which departments or supervisors do the best job spotting top talent. Track the hiring record within individual departments by adding supervisor name or department to the selected fields and then sorting by score. Save the criteria, then use Add, Edit, Sort sequence to sort your report by whichever criteria is most important. You can narrow down the field even further by clicking Edit and limiting the range of scores you'd like to see.
Take steps to make sure your top-scoring candidates turn into high-performing employees. Work smarter with Skyward's fast-track data mining tools. Stay tuned for the next quick hits for superintendents, coming soon.